Hi, welcome to our TrendTalkTube channel. Ever wondered how drones and comm systems are transforming India's defense? Let's break it down. The world of defense technology is evolving at a rapid pace, and at the heart of this transformation are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and advanced communication systems. These technologies are not just futuristic concepts. They are actively being integrated into our defense strategies, making operations more efficient and effective. Before we get into the matter, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to continue watching trending news. Welcome to Swavlamban 2024, where tech meets innovation. This event is a melting pot of ideas, showcasing the latest advancements in defense technology. From cutting-edge UAVs to state-of-the-art communication systems, Swavlamban 2024 is the place to be for anyone interested in the future of defense. Picture this: drones flying high, not just for selfies, but for serious stuff like defense and disaster management. These UAVs are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, allowing them to monitor vast areas, gather critical data, and even assist in search and rescue operations. They are the eyes in the sky, providing real-time information to ground forces and decision-makers. Yep, Siliconia and Artemon Aerospace are on a mission to redefine the game with their groundbreaking UAVs and communication systems. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, developing technologies that are not only advanced, but also reliable and efficient. Their work is paving the way for a new era in defense technology. But what's the big deal? Why are these technologies so important? Well, for starters, they enhance situational awareness, improve communication, and increase operational efficiency. In a world where information is power, having real-time data and seamless communication can make all the difference. These tech marvels are pushing India towards self-reliance, or as we call it, Swavlamban. By developing and deploying homegrown technologies, India is reducing its dependence on foreign imports and strengthening its defense capabilities. This not only boosts national security, but also promotes economic growth and technological advancement. Imagine a future where our defense, agriculture, and even disaster response are powered by homegrown tech. UAVs can be used to monitor crops, assess damage after natural disasters, and even deliver supplies to remote areas. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on various sectors can be transformative. Pretty cool, right? The excitement at Swavlamban 2024 is palpable, with experts and enthusiasts alike buzzing about the latest trends and challenges in the field. The event is a hub of knowledge and innovation, where ideas are exchanged and collaborations are formed. Innovations that could soon be game changers in our day-to-day lives. Imagine having drones deliver your packages, monitor traffic, or even assist in medical emergencies. The integration of these technologies into our daily lives is not a distant dream, but a near-future reality. So if you're into tech, or just love a good drone story, stay tuned. Swavlamban 2024 is just the beginning. The advancements showcased here are set to shape the future, and there's so much more to come. Keep an eye out for the latest developments and be part of this exciting journey. Swavlamban 2024 has set the stage for a tech revolution. Who's excited? The event has brought together the brightest minds in the industry, and the innovations on display are nothing short of spectacular. It's a glimpse into the future, and it's incredibly exciting to see what's on the horizon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you next for more insights and updates from the world of technology. Your journey into the future of defense and innovation has just begun. The journey of innovation doesn't stop here. As we look forward to the future, the advancements in UAVs and communication systems will continue to evolve, bringing new possibilities and solutions to the forefront. The collaboration between tech companies and defense organizations is crucial in driving this progress. At Swavlamban 2024, the discussions were not just about the present but also about the future. Experts delved into the potential of these technologies to revolutionize various sectors, from defense to healthcare, and even urban planning. The insights shared were invaluable, providing a roadmap for the future. Imagine a world where UAVs are an integral part of our urban infrastructure. They could monitor air quality, assist in traffic management, and even provide emergency medical services. The integration of these technologies into our daily lives is closer than we think, and the benefits are immense. The enthusiasm at Swavlamban 2024 was infectious. Attendees had the opportunity to interact with experts, ask questions, and see live demonstrations of the latest technologies. It was a unique experience that left everyone inspired and excited about the future. As the event came to a close, the sense of anticipation for what's next was palpable. Swavlamban 2024 has set the stage for a new era of innovation, and the journey has just begun. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you next time. Stay tuned for more insights and updates from the world of technology. Your journey into the future of defense and innovation has just begun.